Hello, Ivan. Ivan, do you do homework? Okay. Just now I went to see it. Nobody does it. So you did not. Do you put it online into the portal? Then do it now. Go sign it, log in and then post your answer there.
I got.
You got Just now I went to see don't. How come you can hear me or not? Sharp. But I cannot hear you leh.
I can hear you.
Hello, funny. Okay. You say hello again.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
I change.
Hello.
Oh, you still cannot, oh dear.
Hello. 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 I'm here. Can you hear me?
可以了，Okay. Let me go and see your homework. You say you do Let's check how Xuan. Very good. 7. Hey, but you got 3 not done why Go and do now.
No time.
Okay, do now. You just went in like 2 minutes ago. And then you can only do 2, then the rest you didn't do it properly. Do it again.
I got 2. I just
Yes,
got
yes.
2 wrong only.
Then got 3 not attempted
I forgot which 3 I didn't do.
Oh, you want to redo or not? Try again.
I'm okay.
What? Okay, I'm not okay.
I'm okay to not.
This is not okay.
The answer is 7, 14, 16. That's 16 erasers. No.
No.
7.
Hmm.
7. Oh, 14 plus 14 equals to a 8 on 20 on 14. No. 14 and then 21. 21 plus 3 free erasers equals to 24.
Yeah, clever. But your steps can be presented in a very nicer manner. Okay, can I write my own, not my own one. Can I help you with your equation? Okay, I saw that you wrote there is 3 times 7. Why you 3 times 7?
Because there's one eraser costs $3. So and there's 7 erasers that she could just buy straight away and will get one free. So I just get the first one, and then I minus the total, minus the 7 erasers equals to 42. 42 minus another 7 erasers, and then that's 21. 21 minus another 7 erasers, and I do it 3 times. I mean, there will be 3 free erasers.
Excellent. Okay, but you look at, okay, you help me to erase. I write neater for you. You have to erase. Okay. So first thing just now you did was you said that you have a $3, but you multiply by 7, and that give you $21 because you bought 7, right? And this is for 1 set. Thank you. So then you go and do something about the 1 set because you have $63. Okay, now I show you something. You can divide by 21 to find how many set lor. And this one you get the set. Am I right to say that? How many group of 7 are there? So if you do by 21 times table or 63 divided by 21, you go by 21, then 2 times this is 42 and 63. So technically you get a 3 set already. So if every set is how to say? Every set has 7, right? 7 erasers, so you bought 3 sets. Am I right? So 3 sets you got 21 erasers. And then you add your free eraser. Free, which is free ones. And then 24. Okay. Okay, Ivan. Ivan, in school, your teacher call you by your name, Ivan or Hao Xuan?
Ivan.
Ivan, what a nice name. Okay. You want to try another one? We try this one, see whether does it. Okay. This one, 7.6. I write here. Give me a minute. I give you one more to do. 7.6 is this one. Okay, next slide, I think. Which slide is this? 11. Let me check where is my 11. This one. Oh, this one different. Okay, I think they are here. Let me check. Okay, let me exit here. Should I keep? Okay lah. I hide this. Share. Copy lah. I copy and paste inside today one, okay? Then you also can keep. Everyone get to see your contribution also lah. Not too bad. Okay. So since let's see is here already. Thank you for coming. Okay. All right. Let's see. Just now, Ivan was doing one revision question. All right. Today is what date? 21st of October. Okay. And we will park this in the portal. Okay. So this one I will flip it. Flip this. 7.5 revision, 7.5. Okay. So today we are going to do this worksheet 40. All right. Same our class rule. So you all cannot scribble when I start to write already. Okay. The diagram is made up of squares and you are supposed to identify two more squares that you have to shade. So the keyword is you must have two more squares. And you will form a symmetrical figure. Okay, it must be the same mirror image. And where is the line of symmetry? PQ. Okay, so where is PQ? Here. So this is the line of symmetry that cuts the square into two. Give your answers in numbers in ascending order. Okay. Jane, have you done your homework online? Did you post the answer inside? Because I didn't see yours. Okay, so just to inform you, Okay, so which one is missing? So let's take a look one at a time. Okay, let's take a look at that. Maybe I use highlighter. Okay, so this one and this one is okay. Maybe I put it this way lah. In another color. Okay, I have this. I have this. So this is okay. All right. Now look at the second one. I have this. I have this. So they are symmetrical. Next question. I do have this. Oh, I have here. I have here. I have also here. I have also here. So this one is also symmetrical. Okay. Now I want to look at number 2. Check here. I have 2 here. I have 5 here. They are symmetrical. Okay. However, I saw something here very missing. What is the missing thing here? Let me check. Probably I look at this. Do you see this is green? Oh, symmetrically, this is not. So this one should be here. Okay. 7. must be actually shaded. Now look at next part here. I want to look at is maybe I put this color. Now this one is also symmetrical, and this one is free, right? So this and this matters. So quite good. Let me check. This is this. This is this. 2 and 5. This is this. This is this. This is this. 6 and 8. I think something. Do you find something? 8 and 8. Do you find something? Okay. Then here and here. So what we have is 7, right? Am I right to say that? But then what else? What is missing? What is missing? Do you realize this one and this one is missing? Where I color, nobody say. Number 3, look at number 3 here. This one. I shaded this one. Then I shaded 8. You notice that this and this is not the same, right? Because this is shaded, but the number 3 is not shaded. Okay, so I must have 3 and 7. How Xuan, you also didn't realize it, ah?
I did.
Oh, you did. Then you never point. You
I
always
thought
go
you,
and use.
I thought you are telling the answer.
You're telling the answer. Okay. Because I didn't write down, ah. Okay. Thank you. So my answer is 3, 7, for this question. Okay. So if you find something like, not right, you must raise, so this shows that you are paying attention. Let's see, is everything okay? Okay, next question. Let's take a look at this. The bar graph show Peter how he used all his allowances. How much more did Peter spend on buying novels than the stationaries? So he's talking about these two. And he wanted to find out the difference. How much more? We are calling them. There are differences in their spending. Okay, on the 2 item, then we go and search. Oh, this is $25. Maybe I put $25 here. Okay, novels will be $40. So what is the difference here? Let's see, can you tell me what is your answer for this? Mm-hmm. Let's see, are you ready? How to find their difference in the spending? Who has more? Which item has more? It's more expensive. Okay. Okay, go. If you need to go toilet, just go. Yeah, okay. All right, so novel will be $40. Stationaries will be $15. So then you will have, sorry, $25. So this will be 15. Okay. Anything else here? No more? Okay, I go to the next one. Now look at the diagram. The diagram have 12 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them. And he wants to find the perimeter. Okay, perimeter, we need to know each unit, right? Because all these are squares, square, 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 then 4 sides must be equal. Okay? So meaning to say these and these are equal. Am I right? So I put equal sign. And how many units are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 units. (20 cm). Okay. Ivan, do you use equal sign in school? The teacher accept equal sign? Ivan.